We've just acquired this top of the range Peugeot 5008. Absolutely fantastic condition. Alloy wheels are unblemished. It's a proper estate car. It's the GT line model with the parking sensors at the back as well there. Load areas in lovely condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Start the car up. Got satellite navigation, climate control, cruise control, heated seats, half leather interior, panoramic roof, satellite navigation, Bluetooth. Quite rare to come with by the GT line is. At DJH we offer full deal facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call at 07 503 751 005. Thank you.